Let's learn how you can import LUT on your Blackmagic camera. So the first step is to open your Safari browser or any browser that you are using. Now you need to click on search and just search for Blackmagic camera lookup tables. So you can just visit the first site, and here you can scroll through available free tables that you can use for your Blackmagic camera application. So let's try this black and white. You need to click on free download, enter your email and click on download now. So you just need to do this chapter, click on I'm not a robot, and if this sending request bugs to you, you can just refresh the website. So just click on X and it will say, do you want to download blah blah blah. Click on download. You can just go back to your camera, go to settings, and here you need to find LUT manager. So you just need to scroll down, and here is the option. So near the end, click on it, scroll down again, click on import LUT, and you can just go to downloads, click on it, click on open. Okay, I did for the old one. Let's do it again. So this is the one, just click on open, and as you can see here, it's right there. Now if you go to camera, it's right here, and you can see that it will automatically turn on and turn your screen on black and white. So that's it. Thanks for watching.